Hello? Oh, good. Please stand up. As you know, your parents didn't want you anymore because they thought you were not the smartest. So we come and scoop you up and brought you here to prove them wrong. You might be asking, well, how are we going to prove that? Well, welcome to the IQ test. We have been studying you for a while. We believe you have... Shut up! Follow you. It's literally walking by itself. What the fuck? My favorite robot. Robot. Wait. Rose, John, Maria, Steven. I like this. Thanks, I guess. It's still walking by itself. Great. Before you start, allow me to explain a little more about this test. There are a total of 200 floors. Your job is to pass each one of them. Each floor gives you an IQ of 1. Are you calling me dumb? I am dumb, but not that much. Shut up. Shut up. But if you make it to floor 200, you'll get 200. Hey! I think I have only one IQ. Great, let's finish. Finally begin. Please enter the store. Great, still walking by itself. See you later, hopefully. Okay. Don't know about that. This is touch button. I'm not that dumb. Hey yo, I'm kidnapped. Watch out. Ay. Stop holding me like this, please. Excuse me. Hey. Hello? This seems normal. Thank you. Hey! Stop holding me like this. Find the way in this maze. Oh no! I don't want to be stuck in here. Hello? No! This is a keypad. Floor, find the code. Okay, 67. Bruh. Oh, I'm dumb. 67. 6, 7, 21. No. Stop holding me like this. I'm not fat, you know that. Hello? Stop holding me like this. So awkward. Welcome to the dropper. Piece of little shit. This. Oh my god. Oh shit. Great. No. Don't call me dumb. Oh, another one. Another one. I just touched one and I didn't even die. That's great. Hello? See, I'm smart. I'm super smart. So, I don't really know. Oh, white, purple, blue, yellow. White, purple, light blue, yellow. Yellow overall hat. Is smart. My God. Stop holding me like this. This is correct. You can't push it around your body. See? I'm not fat. Oh. Hello there. I'm bringing you with me. You're coming with me, come on. Hey! My God. No. Hello! Hello! I have a friend now. Hello there. I have a friend. I'm not alone anymore. He picked the green one. Hey, yo, stop. Stop. You're making this hard for me. Oh no. It's stuck. It's stuck. I just died. No. She can live and I cannot. That's dumb. And also that's not fair. Not fair. Super not fair. Okay. Push. Yes. This not. Hey, where are you, friend? Hello there. Oh. I just died. Hello there, mother father. Go. You cheated. She cheated. Oh. Oh. Let me go now. Hey, where did he go? Excuse me. Oh. Let me go. Please. What did I do to deserve this? Stop. What do I do? Even the robot. This is my life now. Bruh. Hey! Wait. Do I like accept? So this is my life now. Bye bye guys.